Hello guys, how are you today? In our last video, we made a very basic image using ComfyUI workflow. That tutorial was for beginners, and we're gonna do our same thing today. We're gonna make that image which we made last time to upscale it and get more details into it. Last time I did not save that workflow, but I have that image. So also you're gonna learn how to do the image to image. So let's start it. First we're gonna type here, load image. Here we go. Choose file to upload. And that's the image we had the last time, which we created, very basic one, not too much details, a simple uh, input we had in the positive. Basically, we wrote a beautiful girl about 20 years old, standing nearby a river, blue water flowing, lush green trees, beautiful summer afternoon. And in the negative prompts, we put text and watermark. So a simple one. So we're gonna try to make a same image first. That's also called image to image. So here we'll zoom in. I'm working on my laptop again, so bear with me. So now it's a pixel-based image, and we have to convert to length it. So you know what we're gonna do? Yes, you do. VA encode. And here is saying it's a pixel, and that's a length. So what we're gonna do, connect this one here. And this empty letter image, we don't need it now because we have our own image. So we're gonna delete this one. So now we delete it, and we're gonna keep it here, just like that. And this one, I think, is made extra, sorry. Okay. This one, we're gonna connect it right here. Okay, and from here, we're gonna come back here, just like last time, decode and image. We're gonna make here image preview. We're gonna make it a little bit bigger, keep right next to it, and this will connect also here. So everything is connected. Okay, now because we want exactly a same image, like I told you, it's basically a image to image. So what we need to do to make the image to image and exactly same, we need to change the denoise. And we're gonna keep our denoise between this 240. So we're gonna have exactly same image. It's too much. It's 0.40. Okay. More above is gonna make a different images, but using this font. But if we want to keep a same image, we have to keep it between 40 to 50. So we're gonna keep to the 40, and let's run it. I think everything is connected, I believe. And let me take this one, yes, to make sure everything is connected to each other. And let's run it. Okay, we got the image now. Let's zoom in. It's almost the same image, different face, and face is better than the last time. We have the details there, so it's pretty good. So now we're gonna upscale it to get a better face because the face is still not right and get more details into it. So what we need to do, we're gonna double click here and we're gonna type upscale landed by. Okay, and we're gonna keep it to upscale landed by, and we're gonna use this a method, and we're gonna keep it to 150. And we're gonna take this one here, and here we need to make one more case sampler. Here, sampler, and we need to connect this lantern to this lantern right here. And now we're gonna use all the pipes what we did in the last video. Same thing. It looks confusing, but it's not because we're gonna do exactly the same. So we're gonna do the model. Positive goes with the positive. Negative goes with the negative. And the lantern image, which was first time was going from here, from this recorder to this, but this time we're gonna take this lantern from here, upscale to this one. So let me pull this one so you can see it better. So now we have this one. And now we gotta take this one and bring it here. And then we're gonna do AED code. It's already connected to this one, and we're gonna do the preview. This gonna be upscale image, so we keep it right next to it, see. And last thing we need to do is connect this VAE to this mod. Everything is same. So basically, this is the simplest upscale workflow. Now, I just wanna add one more thing. Here, we're gonna use a seeds. If you go here and you see these seeds are these ones for here, it's 0, but if we click this one, we're gonna keep it this one 0. And if we click this one, we keep it fixed. And denoise, we're gonna change it. We're gonna keep it between 55 because like if I choose it too high, it's gonna give me a different image. So let's keep it to the 55. Okay. But so now, as you can see, the seeds are fixed and I did not change the samplers and schedules and everything is the same. And I think everything is connected. Let's run it. And let's see what kind of image we're gonna get. We're almost done getting something. Okay, we got it. Okay, let's zoom in and see what difference it makes. Let me take this one in the middle. And you see, now we got more border detail. Face is little better, but the shirt has been changed. So I think the denoise is too much. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lower the denoise more. We're gonna keep it between 50. And after that, we're gonna rerun again. And let's see what we got. Okay, we got the image, and now you can see it looks exactly same. And the quality got better, details are there, and clothes are same. So if you compare to these two pictures, this one has a lot of details in it. So that's how you upscale it. And we want to do one more thing. Like last time, because we were making a very basic uh, image, it is very important to give a good details to the positive input. You really have to tell them that what you need to make it. So let's refine these inputs. Put this one in it. A beautiful girl with a brown hair standing on the rocks near a crystal clear lake on a beautiful summer afternoon. Lush green trees with the sunlight dripping through the leaves lines the river bank. So we wrote that and we give the detail that we want the HD realistic photo. And let's, because it is very important that you put a right inputs. So I'm gonna, in some other video, I'm gonna tell you how to find these good prompts, and because they're gonna help you a lot if you want to make a good images. So let's run it and let's see what we're gonna get. It's almost done. Let's pull it and let's see. So now you can see the shirt is missing again. And but you can see it upscaled it. It gives the details and it came up nice. It's better than, like, the face is better. And if you compare to this one, this to this one, we always get change the denoise again. If you're gonna run it, okay, we got over her shirt back, and now you can see this is a lot better. It got a little bit blur in the back, like, and this is how you upscale it. Now you can see her hair is much better to this one. If you see her hair and her face and her pants or shorts, whatever she's wearing. And if you go here and zoom it, you can see more details. It here it looks nice, and her face is like better. Her shirts. No, this is how you do the upscale. I want to do one more thing. I also want to change the model here. So let's do uh, this model, and we're gonna change the sampler to this one, and we're gonna keep everything same in the both of them. So I'm also gonna do this one, gonna keep the same. And the denoise I wanna make a little bit up, like 55, and let's see what kind of image we're gonna get. And let's run it and let's see. We're gonna get more details, and the model usually change a lot. So let's see what is gonna come out. I put the before and after image to compare the difference between the first image and the upscaler image. The first image was from the first video where we just made a simple image. As you can see, with this upscaler image looks a lot better than before. Image has better details and the face. I will put link in description where you can download the images and this workflow. In next video, I will show you how to do the face details and how to short image. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.